DJI Mini 3 MasterShots. Got that coming up next. Bill Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mini 3 is just so much fun to own, to fly, and to shoot video and take pictures with. Today, I tried my hand at MasterShots, and I've got to say this, it is incredibly awesome. Let's go ahead and roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead, got the Mini 3 Pro here, we're going to go ahead and test MasterShots. I know there's been some updates, so we're going to go ahead and take it up and see what we get here. So, about 100 feet here. Okay, we're there. So let's go ahead and we're going to head to the actual entrance to the development here. Let's pull a little bit ahead. And we're going to kind of turn. Back things up a bit. Get things adjusted here. And drop it down just a tad. Oops. That. Medium.
3, 2, 1.
Doing the sign at the entrance to the development here. Really incredible what the MasterShots does and the capability that it adds to your videography. I absolutely love this. It is, in my opinion, one of the better features that DJI's come out with on drones. It enables you to do so much. I mean, it would take so many moves of the joysticks to accomplish this. Even skilled flyers would have a very hard time doing this exactly the way it's intended. And all it is really just finding the object, circling it, and then going ahead, setting your parameters and hitting start. It's really that easy. We're about 3/4 of the way done with this now. Just hit 80%. It's 92. Things are wrapping up here. And it just finished up here. We're going to go ahead and return to home.
Go home. Landing.
That's twice this day I've missed the landing pad, but nevertheless a successful flight, and it had a nice time doing master shots today. Question of the day: what did you think of my DJI Mini 3 MasterShots? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.